Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur.
And I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets recovered losses in the past 24 hours as analysts said supply overhang concerns stemming from defunct exchange Mt. Gox's planned distribution of 140,000 BTC is overdone.
In other news, Bitcoin and Ethereum options are set to expire on Deribit, a leading crypto derivatives exchange, on June 28th, where the expiry could trigger substantial market volatility, creating a crucial moment for cryptocurrency investors.
Defunct Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox said it will start distributing assets stolen from clients in a 2014 hack in July 2024 after years of postponed deadlines. The repayments will be made in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash.
And the repayments are largely considered to add selling pressure to Bitcoin markets, as early investors will receive assets at a much higher value than their entries before 2013, making them inclined to sell at least a part of holding.
Interestingly, VanEck recently filed an application to launch a spot Solana exchange-traded fund, becoming the first asset manager to do so. According to the ETF application, Solana's SOL token ought to be regarded as a commodity rather than a security, as the Securities and Exchange Commission has previously maintained.
According to VanEck's S1 form, the proposed ETF would be known as the VanEck Solana Trust, and the company will be responsible for the safekeeping of the SOL held within the ETF.
Bybit, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in Singapore, has ascended to become the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange, surpassing Coinbase in March.
According to Geico, Bybit's market share surged from 8% to 16% since October, overtaking Coinbase in March. While during the same period, Coinbase's market share increased by only 1% despite reporting improved profits and revenue. Meanwhile, Binance's dominance fell from 60% to 54%, partly due to regulatory challenges.
Moving on to the Metaverse segment. The Roundhill Ball Metaverse ETF METV is in the news as the first US-listed ETF to make significant investments in cryptocurrencies, especially Ether and Bitcoin.
That's right. METV now holds a 6.8% position in Ether and 2% position in Bitcoin through the CI Galaxy multi-crypto ETF that allows clients to invest in two cryptocurrencies in a single product.
This marks the largest investment in Ether by a US-listed ETF with approximately $27 million allocated.
Absolutely. Cryptocurrencies play an important role in development of Metaverse.
In another interesting development, the Hong Kong Institute for Monetary and Financial Research recently released a report detailing the growing engagement of local financial institutions within the Metaverse.
Interestingly, major financial institutions in Hong Kong are exploring various Metaverse-related projects as well as DeFi space to enhance user experiences and operational efficiencies.
So now moving on to the next update, Animoca Brands, a major player in the GameFi and Metaverse sector, has announced plans to go public by early 2025.
The company, valued at $5.9 billion, exited the Australian Securities Exchange in 2020 due to governance concerns and is now considering listing in Hong Kong or the Middle East region, supportive of cryptocurrency ventures.
Now it's time for some interesting updates from the world of NFTs. Japan is struggling greatly with a record low birth rate. As a result, NFT technology is being employed as a quick fix for Japan's historically low birth rate. It is an innovative and novel way to raise money for elderly population in remote rural villages.
Well, Web3 is seen by Prime Minister Fumio Kishida's administration as a crucial component of Society 5.0, an initiative that integrates big data, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things to build a more sophisticated and sustainable society.
The ruling Liberal Democratic Party gave the new Yamakoshi Village project 10 million yen, or roughly $62,500 to test and use Web3 tools.
The new Yamakoshi Village project, which was started in 2021, has drawn 1,700 digital citizens who have bought Nishikigoi NFTs, raising more than $423,000. And the money raised has gone towards supporting neighborhood projects like planning sports activities for nearby school children.
In another news, digital asset manager Bitwise released its first spot Ether ETF exchange-traded fund commercial, allowing non-fungible token enthusiasts to mint the 39-second clip on Ethereum. Bitwise described the ad as a piece of history.
Well, 1,198 mints of 39-second clip have been made so far from 530 unique minters, according to the Zora network.
According to Bitwise, 50% of the NFT proceeds will go to Protocol Guild, a collective funding mechanism created by Ethereum core contributors.
And the remaining 50% will go to the ad's two actors, Jamie Kaler and Michael Tacconi. Protocol Guild, Kaler and Tacconi have earned a combined $1,865 or 0.53 Ether from the NFT mint so far.
Now let's dive into the world of Web3 gaming. Helica, an analytics platform, has released a report on the state of Web3 gaming commissioned by Pantera Capital.
The report revealed that Web3 games raised $160 million between Feb 2023 and Feb 2024, and that 2023 saw over 200,000 weekly gaming transactions across chains. However, in 2024, weekly gaming transactions have increased by 500,000 because of many leading factors, one of them being the integration of AI and technology.
The report also highlighted the role of AI in Web3 game development, highlighting developers using AI to facilitate faster game development and higher player immersion.
The report also demonstrated how different approaches affect retention rates across various games, such as Pirate Nation and Yuga Labs titles.
Helica's data suggests that 70% of top Web2 studios are exploring the Web3 space, with Square Enix and Ubisoft among them. This transition represents a significant opportunity to expand the total addressable market of Web3.
Moving on, UK-based fintech Freebank has tapped eMoney Network, a MiCA-compliant modular blockchain built for tokenizing real-world assets to issue international bank account numbers.
Freebank, which offers a financial services app for crypto investors, will leverage the protocol to distribute IBANs on the blockchain and enable international money transfers for its user base, while also bolstering its cross-chain services, lending solutions, and investment tools.
Well, this strategic collaboration enhances Freebank by integrating traditional banking cornerstones with DeFi features, fostering greater financial inclusion and accessibility in the growing digital asset space, the company says in a statement.
Freebank's move to implement blockchain-based IBANs coincides with the surge in the popularity of tokenization among traditional financial institutions.
And Japan's three largest banks are collaborating on a digital identity initiative that will be anchored on blockchain technology.
A new report by the local newspaper Nikkei revealed that the three MUFG, Mizuho and Sumitomo Mitsui, have also invited Shizuoka and Fukuoka Financial Group, two leading regional banks, to partner on the project.
The project envisions new digital identity solution that enables users to store personally identifying information such as name, date of birth, address, and more on their mobile phones. They can then share these details at will, including when opening new bank accounts or obtaining credit cards.
The solution will be underpinned by distributed ledger technology, enhancing security and giving users full ownership of their data. The three mega banks plans to kickstart the trials later this year and launch the new solution next year.
So, well, that's all in this episode of Weekly Wrap. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.0TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3worldtv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.